intermediate class was very helpful because it helps to know that you can do the exercises throughout the day without, having to set aside that 20, 30 minutes of just sitting and focusing on an exercise. You can incorporate it into a walk that you take, or even just completing chores around the house, or you can even do exercises in the car. I do that often. That's helped my schedule a lot. And it's good to see the progress that you make physically as far as being able to do exercises while you walk. When I started and I was told I have to be so careful not to get out of breath, I had to walk very slowly. I would help out at my kids' school some days and I have to park 3 blocks away. Well, it would take me a very long time to walk those 3 blocks, keeping my mouth closed and not getting out of breath. And then to walk up 3 flights of stairs, I'd have to stop at each landing and do shallow breathing. And now I can go up those 3 flights of stairs and not get out of breath.